Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by understanding how RGB LEDs produce color from 3 channels. Red, green, and blue combine by intensity to create every visible color. Each channel is a separate diode that you control independently with current. Typical discrete LED channels draw up to 20 mA each, so plan resistors accordingly. Resistances like 220 ohms at 5V are common for single LEDs. Note the difference between common anode and common cathode wiring before you connect power. Also learn the special rules for addressable LEDs like WS2812 before wiring. When wiring, always include current limiting resistors on each LED channel. For 5V single LEDs, a 220 ohms resistor yields roughly 15 mA per channel and safe brightness. For strips, calculate current. Many strips draw 60 mA per RGB pixel at full white. Use logic-level MOSFET or dedicated LED drivers for high current segments to protect microcontrollers. Note common anode ties the positive rail to VCC, while common cathode ties all cathodes to ground. Observe correct polarity and never exceed the LED-rated voltage or current. Choose a controller that supports PWM or the specific protocol for your LED type. For discrete LEDs, use PWM at 250 Hz or higher to avoid visible flicker and smooth fades. For addressable LEDs such as WS2812, send 24-bit color frames at the required timing, typically 800 kHz one-wire protocol. Use libraries like Fast LED or Adafruit Neo Pixel to simplify sequencing and color correction. Remember to match logic levels. Many strips accept 5V data, while some work with 3v microcontrollers. Finally, always test and calibrate colors using known RGB values like 255/0.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.